Ever wished you could actually show off your real-life expressions inside Roblox, making your avatar wink, smile, and react just like you? Let's dive into how you can get face tracking working on your Roblox mobile experience, bringing your digital self to life. First things first, you need to make sure you're on the latest version of Roblox. The face tracking feature might not be available on older versions now. Let's open the Roblox app and tap on your avatar icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, navigate to Customize, then choose Body. This section is your gateway to modifying your avatar's appearance. Now, tap the Face section under Body. Here is where you'll find the option to equip and customize faces. You should be able to browse the face options and identify which are compatible with face tracking. These faces will allow your mobile device to track your facial movements and mimic them on the avatar. Select a face that is face tracking compatible. Keep in mind, not all faces work, so keep an eye out for those that are face tracking enabled. Now you're ready to jump into a game and see your new face in action. Simply enter a game within Roblox that supports facial animation. After entering the game, you should see your avatar mimicking your real expressions. Make a silly face and watch your character follow. And that's it. You've successfully enabled face tracking on your Roblox mobile device. Now, get out there, express yourself, and have fun playing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.